All right, Henry writes, found a small chip in my Superjet. What's the best way to fill it? Saw your video on hull maintenance. There's only a few days left in my season. Do I have to get it fixed ASAP or wait till the winter spring? Good question, Henry. And thank you for the super chat. Yamahas are, by all intents and purposes, the most sensitive to damage to the hull in the sense that they are painted. I'll give you an example. Take a visual example. Maybe this will help. Let's say that you are driving your truck on the freeway and you get this big gnarly rock chip. This rock goes bouncing up and just takes a big old, thumbnail sized chip of paint off of your hood. All right. And you're like, crap, what the crap? You're so bent ass shape because it's like, man, it's the hood of my car. Then I come along with a pressure washer and I take my 10-degree nozzle and I sit there and I start blasting on that chip. And you start seeing all the edges of the paint start flaking away because I'm sitting there with a pressure washer intruding water in around those edges and knocking paint off. That is literally what is happening to the underside of your ski when you ride. You're taking a pressure washer to that paint chip. So you're going to be continually exacerbating and knocking out and enlarging that chip. All right, that hole in the paint. So go to colorrite.com. That's colorrite, RITE.com, colorrite.com, and type in your ski. They'll have the whole paint kit. They actually have self-repair kits if it's small enough. They even have one that's almost like a fingernail polish size paint with a little brush, and you can fill it in if it's small. I've done that. Then you cover it with the little clear coat one, and you're groovy. If it's on the underside, you're the only one who knows about it. All right. There's smaller versions. I think they have an aerosol one, or maybe they just have little pints, or they sell quarts and pints. So I would go to colorrite.com. I would not wait personally. That's me. All right. I err on the side of caution. You spent a lot of money and you waited a long time to get that Superjet. I wouldn't want it to get worse. So that's the best advice I can give you.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.